Upcycling pallet wood into furniture and decor pieces presents a unique opportunity for woodworkers and DIY enthusiasts to generate profit while promoting sustainability. The practice of upcycling involves taking discarded materials and transforming them into new, functional, and aesthetically pleasing items. This approach not only reduces waste, but also allows for creativity and innovation in design. The benefits of upcycling pallet wood are multifaceted, encompassing environmental, economic, and artistic dimensions that make it an appealing venture for those looking to enter the furniture market. One of the most significant benefits of upcycling pallet wood is its environmental impact. In a world increasingly focused on sustainability, finding ways to reduce waste is crucial. Pallets are often discarded after their initial use, contributing to landfill overflow. By repurposing these wooden structures, upcyclers can divert substantial amounts of wood from waste streams. This practice not only conserves natural resources, but also reduces the carbon footprint associated with producing new materials. Each piece of furniture or decor created from pallet wood represents a step toward a more sustainable future, appealing to environmentally conscious consumers who prioritize eco-friendly products. Hello there, welcome to our channel. Today we will show you another collection of upcycled pallet wood furniture ideas and decor pieces ideas for profit. So, watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. We post furniture, decor, and craft ideas videos on a daily basis. If you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational furniture, decor, and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you'll be notified when we upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video, as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. The economic advantages of upcycling pallet wood are equally compelling. Acquiring pallets is often inexpensive or even free, as many businesses are eager to dispose of them. This low-cost source of raw material allows individuals to create furniture and decor pieces without the hefty expenses associated with purchasing new wood. By keeping production costs low, creators can maintain healthy profit margins when selling their finished products. Additionally, the demand for unique, handcrafted items continues to rise, providing a lucrative market for those skilled in transforming pallet wood into desirable goods. Upcycling also offers the opportunity to explore innovative design possibilities. Pallet wood has a distinctive aesthetic that resonates with many consumers, particularly those drawn to rustic or industrial styles. The weathered appearance and varied textures of pallet wood lend themselves to creative interpretations, allowing artisans to craft one-of-a-kind pieces that stand out in a crowded marketplace. This uniqueness can command higher prices, as consumers are often willing to pay a premium for items that possess character and charm. Moreover, the versatility of pallet wood means that it can be used in a wide range of projects, from furniture to decor items. This adaptability allows for experimentation with different styles and techniques, providing woodworkers with the freedom to express their creativity. Whether creating a rustic coffee table, decorative wall art, or functional shelving, the possibilities are virtually endless. This creative freedom can lead to the development of a signature style or brand identity that resonates with customers, fostering loyalty and repeat business. Another benefit of upcycling pallet wood is the potential for customization, as consumers increasingly seek personalized items for their homes. Offering customizable options can enhance the appeal of upcycled products. Artisans can create pieces tailored to individual preferences, such as specific finishes, colors, or sizes. This level of customization allows woodworkers to cater to a broader audience and meet the unique needs of their customers, further increasing the likelihood of sales. The storytelling aspect of upcycled pallet wood projects can also play a significant role in marketing and sales. Consumers are often drawn to products with a narrative, particularly those that highlight sustainability and craftsmanship. Sharing the story behind each piece, from the sourcing of the pallet wood to the creative process involved in its transformation, can create a deeper connection between the artisan and the buyer. This emotional resonance can be a powerful motivator for consumers, encouraging them to choose upcycled items over mass-produced alternatives. In addition to financial benefits, engaging in upcycling pallet wood can foster a sense of community and collaboration. Many woodworkers and artisans participate in local makerspaces, craft fairs, or online forums, creating networks of support and inspiration. These communities often share resources, techniques, and ideas, fostering a collaborative environment that can enhance skills and knowledge. By connecting with like-minded individuals, artisans can gain valuable insights into market trends, customer preferences, and innovative techniques that can contribute to their success. The process of upcycling pallet wood can also be a fulfilling and therapeutic endeavor. For many, woodworking serves as a creative outlet, providing an opportunity to unwind and express oneself. The satisfaction of transforming raw materials into beautiful, functional pieces can lead to a sense of accomplishment and pride. This intrinsic motivation can fuel creativity, encouraging artisans to push their boundaries and explore new ideas. The journey of upcycling becomes not just a means of generating profit, but also a personal and artistic exploration. Furthermore, the trend toward minimalism and functional design has created a market for practical yet aesthetically pleasing items. Upcycled pallet wood projects can embody this ethos, offering consumers unique solutions that enhance their living spaces without overwhelming them. By focusing on functionality and design, woodworkers can create pieces that resonate with contemporary consumers seeking simplicity and elegance. This alignment with current design trends can significantly increase the appeal of upcycled products, leading to higher sales and profitability. As consumers become more aware of the environmental implications of their purchasing decisions, the demand for sustainable products continues to grow. Upcycled pallet wood furniture and decor pieces fit this rising trend, attracting eco-conscious buyers who are willing to invest in items that reflect their values. By effectively marketing the sustainability aspect of their creations, artisans can tap into this growing segment of the market, enhancing their profit potential. The scalability of upcycling pallet wood projects offers another avenue for profit. Once a woodworker develops a successful product line, they can explore opportunities for mass production, collaborations with local businesses, or even online sales. By establishing a solid brand presence and leveraging e-commerce platforms, artisans can reach a broader audience and generate consistent income. This scalability allows for the growth of a woodworking business while maintaining the core values of sustainability and craftsmanship. Well, dear viewers, there you have them. Our hand-picked upcycle pallet wood furniture ideas and decor pieces ideas for profit. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comment section. We hope you've enjoyed our today's content. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you'll be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes, and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.